So next up is the MST Performance Intake. This is a 3-inch bore, unlike the Ram Air, which was 4-inch, and this is about £5 more.
Yeah, these were really good value for money on the Civic. Oh, that's not the Civic.
On the Civic and the
was it the Civic as well?
Yaris. The Yaris, it was...
The Yaris, it did almost as good as the really expensive ones, didn't it?
Yeah, it was a really impressive piece of kit, the MST. So hopefully we see the same sort of performance on the Golf.
And they've kept developing them on those cars as well. I've seen new versions of them come out for the Yaris.
So there's a V1, V2 for the GR Yaris, enclosed system.
That's good to
developed.
see.
A postcard. Matthew, come in. What? Oh yeah, we've got a keychain. Yes, MST. Oh, air freshener.
Nice.
That's nice. Yeah, this kit comes with the 3-piece modular system as well. So intake, we've got a silicone hose this time. That's definitely not as girthy as the Ram Air, is it?
No, but it is a better insulator.
Yeah, and we've also got the turbo elbow inlet hose adapter.
Feels like it's ribbed as well. It's got some ribs in it.
Ribbed for your pleasure.
For my pleasure and yours.
Yeah,
maybe keep that stiffer as it's, because obviously you'll have a sort of a lower than ambient pressure inside this hose, and it'll try and crush it up. And if it's got some sort of strengthening in it, which it looks like it does, then that will, help to resist that.
Very smooth inside there as well, isn't it? Unlike the stock one, which we've spoke about, and some good merch as well. We've got an air freshener, a sticker, and a keychain as well. So that's a nice touch. Black and white instructions for this one, but
yeah, I do lose a point for that.
Yeah,
but it's nice to have full instructions.
Yeah, we've got instructions and we've got a postcard as well.
We've got quite a beefy looking heat shield, haven't we?
Yes, and the rubber edging's already installed on that, which saves us a job.
And it looks like this is a lid. So again, keep out that heat soak, minimise it. But again, this wouldn't, with it being an open air filter, pretty much still, I would still count this as being open. It is going to be a good one for noise if that's what you're after.
£483.55 this kit comes in at on Tegiwa.com. Go on then, Matt, you can do your thing again.
It's time to fit the MST. So again, it's got a very similar sort of design. We're just going to slot that in. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but just sort of here, you can see the MST bit just interlocking there. So pop that screw back in. I'll just leave that there while I read the instructions. I'm not sure whether I was supposed to put that in yet. Oh, I saw the heat shield, should have done that first. That's fine. Pop that in now. So again, we're using these rubber grommets. There are extra fittings around it to put on a little bracket to tie it into other plastic posts there. Similar to the Ram Air, we're not going to do that, just to save a bit of time. That's there like that. Right, it's the MST fitted. Again, we have left this loose. It would be nice and tight. There's a bracket that we haven't fitted that would tie in that to that, and it would also help us keep this nice and aligned. It's not going to matter for the power it's going to make. One thing to note is this little window here. I think this is purely for noise to get out. You could obviously just remove this lid and make a whole load of noise, but I think that's what that's for. I mean, it will let a little bit more air in, but I think it gets all the air it needs from this intake here. So yeah, let's see what she makes.
MST done, and again, just kind of the reflection we've seen in the GR Yaris and FL5 test, that it's just a great kit for the money, isn't it? Gains of 7.9 horsepower, kind of surprising really, because that's a 3-inch inlet compared to the 4-inch big bore.
I do think, I don't know how much to read into that, because it all tapers down as it goes into that the compressor inlet anyway. So they're all the same diameter at that point. So I don't really know, unless you were to upgrade. If you were to upgrade your turbo, then that is a big deal.
It must be a smoother path, I guess.
Yeah.
Potentially in there. And as we said when we were fitting it as well, if you really want to maximise noise, you can just remove the lid. So
yeah,
best of all worlds, really.
yeah,
with
absolutely.
That one.
And it's given us a similar torque figure to the Ram Air that we just tested. So yeah, again, we're seeing gains everywhere, and especially towards the top end.
From about 4,000 RPM onwards, isn't it?
I would ignore from this point backwards on all the graphs really, because up to here there's just the dyno ramping it up, loading it up. So by sort of 3,500, that's representative of what you're going to feel on the road. So yeah, really nice gain from, like Dave says, sort of 5,500 RPM onwards.
Thank you for watching. All of these intakes, accessories, inlet elbows, hoses, all available at Tegiwa.com. Thank you to Matt for spending the day with us. It's been a while. It's been a good day. So yeah, thank you for coming down and helping us, Matt. Please like and subscribe if you need any parts for your MQB platform car, anything like that. Check it out at Tegiwa.com. Go buy an intake. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.